he loves
All
us.
over you. Got to give the world to you. Still for me and help you. The darkest days of my life. So I'll take the time to comprehend some more. Understand that you did. And the good of God that quits. Now you see the sun shining on me.
I went back for school and turned on the TV. The share was the reporter said my friend who I neglected commits suicide. SEMA has talked to me. And now I struggle every day with the thought. Just give me 5 minutes. I thought more about what he was going through. Probably still be here tonight.
With effort, I still lose count, counting my blessings. So drops at my gigs, pain is the essence. Now I'm making hits, made me a weapon. I never had a pot to piss in. Now I'm pissing a pot of gold and watch it glisten. In a race on my own, the mission. That's why I grab a nigga West and a cup of sniffing every time I talk to missing. I went missing, came back, left the old me, my friends missing. How am I gonna stay the same? Trying to make a difference, trying to make a living, and make it hidden and live for this shit. I'm at my business, got my mind for my businesses. Kicked out business, study my businesses. It's kind of crucial what we sinners did. I got away with words, cause I'm a lyricist. Mama needs a new stove, so I do stove. Could've got section, I had to do roll. And now I'm new dough off a new flow. Couple down, got me killed one day.
Wake up in the AM, cold showers when I get my and I pray. Money watching Buddhas, then I put it in my shoebox. Still trying to put my shoe on. Bring me down, bring me down. Everybody come when the popo come. All I see is a smoking gun. Oh, bring me down, bring me down. Everybody wanna be boiling, so I'ma stay up till morning. Oh,
I'm not gonna try to deal with you. If you don't deal with me properly, what's the deal with you? I was taught to be real with you, so I'm real with you. Though I'm in the Charlie Hill, I'm still a real nigga. Yeah, my black name was my family. I only got my A-level for my family. And now I'm with a bad bitch, and I'm bad green views. Even though I can't change them, I can teach. The thing I used to do 4 figures, now I do a 1 show and that's a new 4 figures. I can go forever in a few more minutes. I'm just trying to paint pictures. I don't do this for the image. I do this for the broke niggas.